Gold Coast TechSpace, and we're just going to do a very short workshop on having a practical go at using Arduino. In particular, we're using a board that we designed ourselves called Arduino, which is it isn't Shield compatible with the standard Arduinos, but we've basically shrunk it down to the simplest we can get to. So we're using these ones called the TMP36, which is basically a modified diode. Basically, it has a ground voltage and a voltage between 2.7 and 5.5, and you get an analog voltage out here. And it varies between 0 and whatever your voltage you put in is, and it goes from about minus 40 degrees C to 120 degrees C. And the really cool thing about the TMP36 is it's very consistent. This red line here is the TMP36. All of the sensors behave the same way, and it's linear. So very easy to calculate what the temperature is from the sensor. So Paul's going to give everyone some cables. And what we're going to do is connect this, I don't know, you might not be able to see this very well, but the TMP36 needs to be connected to the 5 volt and the ground volt and the A1 pin. The A1 pin is the special one, that's the one that you're going to read data from. Has anyone seen these before? Breadboards? So a breadboard basically, you have power lines down the sides, see where the red and the blue is, that's usually you keep those as your voltage lines, and then all the other lines go crossways, like that. Yeah, so this is just an example of one that's been hooked up on a different Arduino, but they've got theirs on analog 0, but we're using one. So you just need the 3 pins. You see this is the breadboard here. You can connect a cable there, there and there, and then back to the actual board. So we've just got everyone making a little temperature digital thermometer, and they're all finished, so we've got them turning a little LED on and off when the temperature reaches a certain point. But I was just saying to some people that you can make that a lot more advanced by showing the temperature on an LCD screen, or even connecting to a mobile network and actually sending a text message when it reaches a certain temperature, or uploading the data even to the cloud and make a weather station, something like that.
Well, the first session was very interesting in terms of making me aware of what Arduino has to offer. I suppose attachments that can be made to the main circuit for measuring various physics parameters. The second one's very interesting because now I need to go and work out how to learn the programming language, because obviously that's a new deal. I've done basic and Fortran and things in the past, but not actually programmed with anything like this before. So there's an exercise for me over the holidays to work out before I can do much else. But I'm very interested because we run a specialist science program, and we're looking at introducing Arduino as one of our options for our students in year 9 to our specialist science, and that should be a really interesting way for them to look at introduction to this sort of thing. But it's very interesting, and I got a lot out of it.